acoustic model. So many of the traditional ASR systems use HMM based acoustic models. तो उसकी थोड़ी सी आउटलाइन या थोड़ा सा आइडिया देता हूँ मैं आपको टू गिव यू फ्लेवर. HMMs are like a finite state machines, say, where you have this initial state and you have more states. Let's say this is state 1, and you transition from one state to another state with some given probability. Say, so let's say this probability of going from this state is A01 going from A to 1. And similarly, let's say you have another state 2, you have this transition probability A12 of going from this state to this state. And let's say you have, just for the sake of doing this, you have this probability of remaining in this state. See? So what does this mean? Let's say you're applying this kind of a model to your acoustic signal. Okay? So you say you start getting a signal and you say what is the probability, and you learn these probabilities through a lot of data which has some distribution, and you learn these probabilities from these distributions. Okay, what's the probability if I'm getting this kind of a sound, so I'm going into this state? Obviously you can go into multiple other states which I'm not showing. So let's say you come to this state and you say, okay, I came into this state with this probability, so what could this be? Let's say okay, this represents a za. See? So you're getting this kind of a sound. So you're saying, is this a za, or is this just a za? See? Yani, is this zal or is this zod? Going back to our example. And there is probably some length to this zal compared to this zod, and that's captured by being in this state. And there's another probability distribution from which you learn this probability and you decide, okay, whether I want to be, or is this the phoneme that I've detected, or is this the phoneme that I've detected. Similarly, if you have this extension, let's suppose, that distinguishes this zod from this za and the zal. See? So let's say okay, this state 2, if you get to state 2, it's this zal representing dh. Right? So there are these probabilities associated with these branches also. Okay, how you decide, okay, let's say B1, B2, B3. So what I've done here, I've given you a simple HMM transition model telling you where A of ij represents transition probabilities and B of j, O of j, let's say the probability of generating a particular phoneme. Probability of generating a particular phoneme from a given state.
Sir, network quality बहुत खराब है sir.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'll upload this. But this is the idea.
Okay.